Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be reviewing these 168 markers I got off of Temu. And if you want to see the end drawing, make sure you watch the video to the end. And don't forget to like and subscribe and click that notification bell. Alright, so I ordered these markers on the 11th of May and didn't receive it till the 23rd. It was actually delayed because it would tell me on the 19th that it's going to be delivered today, but it didn't get delivered till like the 23rd. This video is long due because I was supposed to I filmed it in May and then I didn't edit it kind of till June, but I didn't do the voiceover till July. So I don't know how much views this video will get because Temu isn't trending like it was before. But that's okay because I already have all the footage, so I might as well just. So these markers are quite heavy and it's quite hard to hold them and to find each color, but the colors it looks so aesthetically pleasing. I'll put the link of these markers in the description box if you want to purchase them, and I'll put a little screenshot of what it looks like on the website. So these markers have a chisel tip in one side, or some people call it the broad tip, and the other side is a bullet tip. I prefer brush tips because they blend easier, but these are cheap markers, so you don't really expect them to have brush tips, but if they do, they're usually really bad quality. So for the swatching, I was gonna do them in order, in number order, but I just couldn't find all the markers because there's so many to look at, so I just gave up. So I just ended up putting it in different colors, the reds and pinks together, but the reds look so much like the pink. The reds are literally pink, which is really annoying, but it's okay. I had to crop a lot of the swatching because I don't want that to be the main focus. The actual coloring is the main focus, but swatching it did take a long time, and this video does have a lot of lighting changes, so that's because my camera kept dying because I'm such a slow person, especially at drawing. A lot of the markers look exactly the same, which is I know there is a lot of markers and different colors to make and that, but it's not really nice knowing that you have 4 duplicates of the same color just called different names, but it's okay, I don't really mind that much. So these are what the markers look like all swatched out, and they look so pretty, and we're gonna get onto the drawing process now. So this drawing was made for Mermaid, but it's July now, but that's okay. I'll put the reference up in the screen, and that's my phone at the top of the screen because I was watching Everybody Hates Chris. Starting off with the afro, which was quite fun to color. I did crop a lot of the video because I don't want to spend, I don't know, I don't like my videos being too long. I feel like no more than 10 minutes. I don't know, I feel like after 10 minutes it's just boring. I wouldn't watch a whole, I mean I would, but I don't know if others would, so that's why I crop a lot. But it's actually my first time editing on laptop, so please tell me if I did a good job or not, because I usually would edit on my phone. The skin caused so much trouble. I was struggling. I don't draw a lot of dark skinned people because I don't have the markers for that. I literally barely have any markers. I can literally show you how many markers I used to have before I got these. I literally was lacking colors, but now that I have every color in the world you can name, I'm really enjoying drawing right now. But yeah, this drawing is probably my favorite drawing I've ever done. My second or first, because yeah, I really like the drawing, but yeah, my camera did die multiple times because I'm a really slow drawer, so I have to like keep like charging my camera and then recording and then back to charging because it just dies because it takes so long. But the water, like, it was so fun to color, but I had to use like 50 million different colors, but it was quite fun to shade. And the colors, the blue selection's decent, but I wish there was darker blues because there is no dark blues. Like, you guys can post out your Temu links in the comments if you want. Get everyone to do your links if you want, so you can get these markers for yourself and review them too, because I think they're pretty much worth it. Even if I didn't get it for free, it would probably be worth the money. But I don't really know what to say anymore, so I'm just gonna let you enjoy the drawing process. So I'll see you in a bit. So I'm going to talk about the pros and cons of these markers. So the first pro is that it's quite affordable. Even though I got it for free, it's still a pretty good price. It comes in different sets. So it comes in a set 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 80, 120, and 168. So you can choose whatever size you want depending on your budget. It blends quite well, like it actually does blend quite well. It has fluorescent colors and pastel colors, which usually you would have to buy another set of markers to get those kind of colors, which I think is quite cool that it comes with those. But I don't really use the fluorescent ones, but I use the pastel ones. And in the cons, the darker colors are quite streaky. Like, I have to layer them about 3 times until they are like nice and smooth. The alcohol in them, like the markers, are more liquidy for some reason. So it ripped up my paper. Weird. You'll see at the end of the video how it ripped up my paper. But yeah, there's not enough dark colors for my liking. Like, there was a lot of colors that could have been a lot darker, so I have to use my other markers to get the darker colors. Then some markers are like exactly the same, which I already said at the start of the video. And then blending darker colors result into a spoily look. When I started working at the tail, my paper actually ripped, which I will show in a couple seconds. But if you've watched the video to this far, make sure you comment down below something mermaid themed, like a water droplet, in the comments down below, so I know you watched the video to the end. And this is the final drawing, and I love it so much. Let me know if you guys love it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. But I'm going to show you what my paper looked like at the end, which was all curled up for some reason, but it's okay. That shows that I put a lot of hard work into this drawing. So bye.